Well, we warned you last month, this next story is not for the faint of heart. Imagine climbing a ladder that's more than 200 feet tall. That is exactly what some employees are doing at one of EM's projects at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. EnergyCast's Cameron Jacobs gives us a look.
So what we're doing is we're performing a stack inspection. We got a 70-year-old stack, got some degradation, and we're just trying to do an inspection to see what the status is and figure out what the lifespan of the stack is and figure out what repairs are going to be required to keep it operational in the future.
That's Project Manager Ben Bellia discussing an inspection underway on a 250-foot tall stack located in the heart of the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. The chimney-like structure dates back to 1949, and it's still in use today. A task at this height on a structure this old poses some unique challenges.
We're no longer able to use the step irons that were originally installed, and we're actually installing a new ladder on the stack and inspecting as we go up. We're also installing this ladder with no hot work, no welding on the stack in the stack area, nor any penetration into the stack, so it alleviates any concerns from hot work or any kind of silica work. So it's a unique project.
While EM has used drones to perform visual inspections over the years, this will be the first physical inspection since 1995. Current schedules have the structure standing another 10 years before it's taken down. That's why it's important to check its condition and any needed repairs.
As we move up, there's maybe 5% of the mortar joints are degraded and may need repair. There was some drone footage of the stack a few years ago, and we expect to see some more repairs required as we move up.
Moving up isn't just as simple as climbing a ladder. That's where International Chimney Corp employee Joe Brower tells us what it takes to make the climb.
Absolute no fear of height is a good quality. We have a good personnel with our company. We train our individuals well. We have like what we call our training stack at our office. So people come in, when they first come in, they have to go through that training process of how to don their harnesses, how to use our safety equipment before they ever get on a chimney.
Joe is part of the crew completing ladder installation and stack inspection. He says the job is the culmination of EM and UCOR's year-long planning effort to ensure a safe and successful inspection.
UCOR is very safety orientated. DOE as well. I would say that a lot of planning and thought went into this project before it ever started. And that has kind of contributed to the way that way everything has worked, right?
To complete this project, employees are taking it one step at a time. Reporting in Oak Ridge, I'm Cameron Jacobs.
Thanks, Cameron. Workers began their inspection at the 50-foot level, and they are moving up that stack about 5 feet per day. We will keep you up to speed on their status right here on EnergyCast.